Okay, for this I'm going to show you 4-digit times 1-digit, and I'm going to use the lattice strategy of multiplying. Remember, you can choose whichever strategy makes the most sense for you, but or if you want to look at multiple of the strategies, that is also fine. So the first problem, I'm going to do 2,345 times 5. So just like with window method, I'm drawing a box. I'm dividing it up into 4 boxes by 1 box because that's my digits. Remember, I don't write the zeros, I just write the digits for lattice. And then I do have to draw those diagonal lines to separate the tens place from the ones place. So we'll start from the right side. 5 times 5 is 25, tens and ones. 4 times 5 is 20. 3 times 5 is 15. And 2 times 5 is 10. I would say that part is maybe simpler. The adding can be a little tricky. So remember, we look at our diagonal columns now. So 5, nothing else inside the box is just 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 1, and then 1. So no need to carry anything for that. I just get 11,725. I will show you another example of using the lattice method, if that seems like a good fit for you. I'm going to do 9,318 times 6. So 4 boxes by 1 box, diagonal lines. If you need to stop and look at that, it's just like square with a line through it, etc., etc. Now, of course, I screwed it up, so I'll draw one more time. 18 times 6. So I would draw the box, divide it into 4 squares, and then just go from the right corner down to the bottom left. Top right, bottom left. Top right, bottom left, top right, bottom left. I wish I was there to draw the boxes for you, but obviously I am not. So 9,318 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. 1 times 6. Okay, this we only have 1 digit. I think it's a 6. It's in the ones place. So then I can just put a 0 in the tens place. If it's 1 digit, make sure to put it in the right one. 3 times 6 is 18. And 9 times 6 is 54. You can either use a multiplication chart if you have your facts memorized, or you can use the songs to help you remember the multiples. Now I'm going to add these up diagonally. Remember, I'm not adding anything on the outside, just the inside. So I have 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. Write the ones, carry the tens. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 4 is 5, and then 5. So I get 55,908. If you want more examples with the lattice method, feel free to hop on and ask me. And use this method if it seems good. If you want to do your work on a paper and just write your answers on the worksheet, I will trust that you are showing me you're doing the work on the paper. You don't necessarily have to try and draw the box on your Cami sheet or anything, because that's not necessary. But do your work on your paper, and then you can just put it on the box or on the paper, on the worksheet, on Cami if you want. Good luck.